I didn't see the guy's credit. How's his credit?
I know he was in the low fives, like 505.
So no license, no social, but an ITIN number, which banks take.
But then this dealership adds all of these add-ons that bring the total price to $117,744.
All right, it's a mix of clips today, from wanting a Tesla with bad credit to wanting a vehicle with no license. If you're new, I'm Mike, and here we talk about money, cars, avoiding debt, and keeping more of your paycheck. If that sounds good, hit that like and subscribe button and drop a comment.
The Tesla Model 3.
Okay.
The guy has two options. It's either $2,400 down or a cosign. He can't get a cosign and he doesn't have $2,400 down. He only has $500 right now. So I'm trying to see if we can rework it, take a look at it from another perspective and see what we can
So
offer.
he doesn't have either $2,400 down or a cosign.
And he doesn't want to go down to a cheaper car like a Chevy Bolt.
How much does he have down today?
He has $500 down today.
He doesn't want another EV.
He doesn't want anything but a Tesla.
Only a Tesla.
Yeah, and all of them are priced around the same.
What if I have a Tesla? I had like 14, 15.
We could do it.
You have a deal?
Yeah. Mileage he doesn't care about because it's an electric car.
Hardly any money down, doesn't care about mileage, only wants a Tesla. What could go wrong here? He saw it and he needs to have it. This reminds me of a vehicle I bought in my early 20s. I saw it and I just had to have it. The price was not on my mind. I bought it without thinking it through and got hit with a high interest rate.
Give me a second. This Tesla, it was arbitrated. It's 23, or it was sold.
Yeah, it probably sold throughout the night. Any Tesla that we have, he's okay. He just
Any
wants a
Tesla that's available, any color?
Any color, anything.
All right, because we kind of sold all of ours within 2 days. So I'm trying to see if we have. So any Tesla.
Any Tesla.
500 down today.
Yes, looking for a monthly payment of 600 to 700. We have a good range to work around.
Okay, let me see what we got. So we actually have one available, the only one available right now. I promise you in like 2 hours it won't be available, so let's move on this pretty quick, okay? I didn't see the guy's credit. How's his credit?
I know he was in the low fives, like 505.
A 505 credit score falls in the very poor category, so this guy's going to get hit hard. He wants a payment between $600 and $700 a month, but can only come up with a $500 down payment. This is a repo waiting to happen. With the 505, he's missed payments, high credit utilization, maybe some collections. There is no way he should be financing a car.
By what he told me.
Where does he live?
He lives in New York.
I'm going to ask one more time. Is he ready to move forward today?
Today.
I got to make sure. Louisiana.
Yeah.
Is that where he's registering the vehicle?
Yeah.
Is he trading anything in?
No, this will be his first car.
Was this one of your deals that you were going back on, see if you had something, or he reached out to you?
No, so his sister bought a car from us a week ago. They were waiting for her car to be delivered, make sure that everything went perfect. It did. So now he wants a car. Okay. He contacted me 2 days ago, and yesterday he put in his app. Today, we're just trying to get back to it because he was trying to find the cosigner, but he had no luck.
I'm just waiting on him.
It's his first car, and he just has to have a Tesla. That $500 he's putting down is close to the full price I paid for my first car.
To get back, they're the only approval we had. From what I'm seeing here, he has challenge credit. He does not have a cosigner.
No.
Just give me like 10 minutes,
okay,
and then I'll let you know. All right, so it came back. What payment did he say he needed to be under?
Under 700.
We should be fine with that. Got you approved 500 down today. Payments are looking to be low to mid 600s. Okay.
Right,
well underneath his payment, so let's make it happen. Let him know. Congratulations, I got you approved on the vehicle you want. Only Tesla we have available, so let's move on it as soon as possible. Once he's ready, we'll get him with finance.
Okay.
All right, good job. Let's go.
Congratulations, he's in debt. I'm not a fan of how these salesmen say challenge credit. Dealers call it that, banks call it high risk. That means you'll be paying a lot more than you should. If you're not even able to come up with a down payment that's equal to the monthly payment, you should know you can't afford it.
I was interested on the F-150 white.
F-150 white, we have two of them that are identical.
The 5.0?
Yes.
How much is the down payment on that one?
So you would need at least tax and license down plus a little bit more. So probably anywhere from $4,000 to $5,000 down. You want to do a buy here, pay here, right?
Yeah.
The first thing that comes to mind with buy here, pay here is nobody else is going to give you a loan. I don't think you go to these places because you're looking for a great deal. They can approve you when the banks won't, and usually for a high price. It's nothing against them. They have to charge more because you're a high risk.
You would need full coverage insurance. You'd have paycheck stubs. Do you have paycheck stubs?
What I have is like the, what do you call it?
Bank statements?
Yes.
Okay.
How much is the interest like rate on that?
Buy here, pay here is 0% for 2 years.
0%? Okay. Well, that's good.
Yeah. Do you have a social?
No, I only had an ITIN number.
The ITIN might work. I have banks that'll take an ITIN. If you want to submit an application, I could try a bank first and then buy here, pay here.
I'm looking to get it, so you say 5,000 would make it for me?
Yes, sir.
0% sounds great, but what's the interest rate after 2 years? It likely skyrockets. Also, I'd imagine the vehicle prices are quite a bit higher than they should be. I've never used one myself. Let me know in the comments if you have and what the interest rate was.
And do you have a license?
No, I don't.
You can get insurance?
Yes, I can get insurance.
Okay, so you don't really need a license to buy a car, but I do need like some kind of picture ID and then insurance. Go to our website, starautotn.com.
Okay.
And you can get the VIN number off of them, then check with your insurance. So that way you're ready to go. You got your 5,000, you've got your insurance, you've got a picture ID, you got your bank statements, and we're ready to deliver the car to you.
All right, sounds good, man.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the call. And we'll keep in touch.
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye. So no license, no social, but an ITIN number, which banks take. If you have enough down, you get provable income, bank will finance.
You would think no license means no car, but you'd be wrong. I did do a quick search on insurance with no license, and it would be tough, but it is possible. Doesn't seem to matter the case. No credit, bad credit, no license. Everyone gets a car, and you worry about the rest later.
Would you pay over $117,000 for this? This is the 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 Crew Cab AT4. It has a base price of $71,000, and then it has all of these add-ons that come out to $15,065, plus the destination fee of $2,195. And then you also get the AT4 Premium Plus package discount, which takes off $500. But then this dealership adds all of these add-ons that bring the total price to $117,744.
The add-ons alone are close to the sticker price I paid for my car brand new. I love trucks. I wish I had one now, but $117,000 is ridiculous. That's a great down payment for a home or money I'd rather have in my bank account.
It has the 6.6 liter turbo diesel Duramax engine. It has the 24-inch wheels with the all-terrain tires and the 8-inch lift kit. It has the onyx black exterior with the black AT4 HD badging on the side, as well as the black GMC grille with the AT4 badging up here as well. The front tow hooks. It also has a 13.4-inch touchscreen display with Google built-in, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. It has heated front and rear seats, as well as ventilated front seats.
It has every option you could ask for, and it's going to take every dollar you have to pay for it. Obviously, everyone's income is different, and some people can afford it, and that's great. But you can't convince me that a pickup truck is worth $117,000.
It has the skid plate, the running boards, the step assist, as well as the step assist back here in the corner, the tow hitch package, the spray-in bed liner, and the rear window as well. But even with all of that considered, would you pay over $117,000 for this 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4 Crew Cab? Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and if you like this video, go ahead and give me a follow. Let me know what you want to see next.
I absolutely would not be paying that for a truck. If I'm going to be spending $100,000, it's going to be on a home, not a vehicle. The prices keep rising and the wages stay the same. Not all, but most of the truck drivers I know, it's just a daily driver. They don't tow or load anything in the back, but they do complain about how much it costs to drive.
I drove my brand new 2000 Camry for 1 week, and let me tell you, this thing was an absolute peach. I ended up putting over 250 miles on it. When I went to fill it up with gas, averaged over 32 miles per gallon out of this. The only thing this Camry needs after driving for 1 week, it does need a little bath because it did not sit in the garage, it sat outside. I think the thing that surprised me the most about driving this car for 1 week, this little 2.2 liter is like a sewing machine when it's running. It is super quiet, and like I said earlier, it's so fuel efficient.
The more and more I look at these slightly older cars, the more I like them. Nothing fancy, they're cheap and reliable, no extras, just the basics. All you really need to be driving and saving money. I really miss these type of cars.
On gas, coolest part is that this thing still has hood struts. They're original, but it holds up the hood really well. I'll tell you, from driving new cars, nothing beats old cars when it comes to quality. This thing was absolutely quiet on the road, no squeaks, no rattles, nothing. 25-year-old car. But my favorite thing, again, I talked about this last time, has to be the interior. The seats are so soft and so supple. And all the touch points, like this nice fabric here, this soft leather right here. Even the steering wheel, for not being a leather-wrapped steering wheel, this is still a nice steering wheel to touch.
It may not be the best looking car on the road, but for a few $1,000s, I'd be more than happy to drive that. How basic it is reminds me of an old Civic I had for a short time. An 88 with manual crank windows. It didn't even have a radio.
Hey guys, I literally just parked to show you guys this. Check this out. Let me flip the camera. I got this 2010 Hyundai Sonata. Wait until you see the mileage. I'm being dead serious. You have never seen a car with this low mileage. It is in pristine condition all around. No scratches, no dents. It's just in really, really good shape.
A second one, cheap, reliable, low miles, and it looks pretty good. There are options out there if you're willing to spend the time to save the money. They've made it too easy to go into debt by financing cars, but these should be considered. Drive cheap, save the money.
Again, wait until you see the mileage. Here, let me walk around. It's running right now, you could barely hear it. Guys, this might be the lowest mileage Sonata on the East Coast. 45,000 miles. That's right, only 45,000 miles. Now, I just got this car. It's not even detailed yet. We just got it through service. So as soon as I post this, this is going to sell. I'm going to be asking like $7,000. If you get me $6,500 before it's detailed, car is yours. It's got a clean Carfax, one minor accident, and Carfax is valuing it at $7,500.
He probably picked that up for $3 or $4 grand, so there are deals out there. If you're on a budget and need a car, you don't need to finance. You don't need to go into debt. Save up a few $1,000s and look for a vehicle like this. Pay for it cash and drive without having to worry about a monthly payment. I'm going to end the video here and ask you to hit that like and subscribe button. Drop a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.